We'll guide you through how to download and install WhatsApp on your phone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. WhatsApp is a really great messaging app, and to go and get it, first of all you need to open up your phone's app store. If you're using an Android phone, you can go and open up the Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you can go and open up the App Store, and other phone brands will have their own type of store. So go and open it up. Then all you need to do is go to the top and click on search, and you can then go and search for WhatsApp, just like so. So I've gone and searched it before, so it's pretty easy to find, and here it is. Then what you can do is click on it, and you can then click on install. It's now finished, and you can then go and click on open, or alternatively, you can just go and find it in your phone's apps and open it from there as well, for example here. And then what you'll need to do is go and start setting it up. So in this case, I'm English, so I can select that there. You need to agree to the privacy policy and the terms of service, which I do, so I'll agree and continue. And what you need to do is go and enter in your phone number. After you've entered your phone number, you'll then go and be sent a verification code which you need to go and enter, which I've now done. And then you can go and continue setting it up, so you can go and share your contacts and media, just like so. I'll press allow there and press allow again. And allow again. I've got the option here to restore chats, but you probably won't if this is the first time, so I'll go and skip that. And then what you can do is go and enter a name for your WhatsApp, and you can also then go and choose a profile picture as well. I've already got one here as I've set it up before, and then you can press next. And that's it. I've already got some chats here as I've used WhatsApp before, but you can create a new chat by clicking on the icon in the bottom right.